We have put together a video of the 5 best wrist guards on the market. So, let's get started with the video to find the best one for you. Number 1, most popular. 888 Wristsaver Wrist Guard. This wrist guard is excellent if you are looking to protect your wrists. This wrist guard has a slide-on design. Most the wrist guard has 3 straps, but this guard has only 1 strap. This makes it much easier and faster to gear on. These guards use impact-resistant high-density ABS splints on both the front and back side. Also, they have attached the EVA foam between their splints. These foams are very helpful in absorbing impact or shock. This makes them excellent for impact resistance. They come in 4 different sizes that include large, medium, small, and junior. Number 2. 187 killer pads wrist guard. 187 killer pads wrist guard designed as fingerless, which help you use your finger properly without even removing it. They provide full protection to your wrists. These guards have an extra thick base to provide users extra protection, as most of the time base is the area that gets affected the most. These gloves are well padded from the inside to provide you comfort and absorb the shock of the crash. They are made with ballistic nylon and stitched with industrial-grade material. Thus, you can use these wrist guards for a long time. Number 3. 888 Hired Hand Skateboarding Wrist Guard. The wrist protector's main job is to withstand many falls. This 888 Hired Hand Wrist Protector glove is well capable to do that. Other than protecting your wrists, these guards are designed to protect your hands as well. According to the guard manufacturers, this is their burliest guard. It offers complete protection to the user's wrist. It covers almost half of your fingers. These guards are made of top-quality leather, which makes them durable. To increase the durability of this, production company has added layers of EVA shock-absorbing foam. Number 4. Hillbilly Wrist Guard. These are wrist guard gloves and thus can be used to protect both your wrist and hands. They are the best in their category and you can use them without any hesitation. These guards look more like gloves than wrist guards, but they are very effective in protecting your wrists as well as your hands. They are way more comfortable to wear than any other regular wrist guard. They are perfect for one-wheel riders. To provide maximum protection, both the back and the front sides of these guards are well supported and protected with hard materials. Number 5. Flexmeter D30 Double-Sided Wrist Guard. Flexmeter D30 Double-Sided Wrist Guard is one of the best wrist guards for one wheel. Other than one wheel, this wrist guard is very effective in sports like EUC, skating, and snowboarding. They provide maximum protection against any impact. These wrist guards are very comfortable to wear as well. They also look cool on wrists. These wrist guards have Velcro straps, which makes them easy to wear. They are not very slim, but you won't feel them bulky or even heavy. It will make your wrist feel more protected and comfortable.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.